On the bench here I have 2 bobbin winders. This winder is, as you can see, completely rotted, broken, cracking all over in the white metal from corrosion. And I need a replacement for it. I couldn't find an exact replacement, so I came up with a very similar winder. And I checked 2 important things: the distance for the stem from this pivot point and the measurement of the bottom of the pivot point to the tire. And this arm on this new winder is slightly skinnier, you can see, and this old winder had a pinhole on it that's broken for a spring to hold it in place. So to resolve that spring hole problem, I took a paper clip and I wound myself a hole for the spring to go in, and I put that on either side of the winder here, and JB welded that in place so that it'll snap back and forth. And then the pivot shoulder on the old winder, put that in, is deeper than the new winder, so I'm going to take a spring and trim a couple coils off this spring so that it will push down on that winder and hold the winder down on the pivot shaft, and we'll see if that works to replace this broken winder. Alright, this made up bobbin winder pushes over and spins and pops back out of the way. The spring is holding it down on the post nicely, so I think that's going to work.